Inside a modern factory, precision turns cocoa and wafers into one of the world's most recognizable chocolate bars. But every bar begins long before the chocolate touches the wafer. Every batch begins with carefully sourced cocoa beans arriving at the factory floor. Quality beans are inspected and guided toward the first stage of transformation. The journey from raw bean to chocolate begins with careful cleaning and sorting. Industrial systems gently remove dust and debris while protecting the fragile beans. Only perfectly clean beans continue forward in the chocolate-making process. The next stage will unlock the rich chocolate flavor hidden inside every cocoa bean. Carefully controlled roasting begins to release the deep aroma hidden within every cocoa bean. Precise roasting unlocks the complex chocolate flavors that define every KitKat bar. After roasting, the beans are cooled to preserve their delicate flavor balance. Temperature control keeps the beans stable before the shells are separated. Cracking machines separate the valuable cocoa nibs from their brittle outer shells. Airflow systems remove the shells, leaving only pure cocoa nibs behind. These nibs will soon be transformed into the smooth chocolate base used in every wafer bar. The nibs are ground into rich cocoa paste, the foundation of every chocolate layer. Fresh cocoa paste moves through controlled pipelines toward the next stage of refinement. The paste is stabilized and prepared for the delicate separation process. Industrial centrifuges begin separating cocoa solids and cocoa butter. From this process comes cocoa butter, the key to chocolate's silky texture. Stored cocoa butter will soon blend with sugar and cocoa to create smooth chocolate. The remaining cocoa solids continue toward grinding and refinement. Grinding transforms the solids into the rich cocoa powder used in chocolate recipes. Now the essential ingredients converge to begin forming the chocolate itself. Measured ingredients combine to begin forming the smooth chocolate mixture. Industrial mixers blend ingredients into the base chocolate used throughout the factory. The chocolate travels through temperature-controlled pipelines toward tempering systems. Tempering stabilizes the chocolate structure, giving KitKat its signature snap. Alongside the chocolate line, the wafer layers are carefully prepared. The batter transforms into crisp wafer sheets inside controlled baking ovens. Within minutes, delicate wafer layers emerge golden and crisp. These fragile layers will soon become the crisp heart of every KitKat bar. Thin-baked wafers are stacked into precise layers that will form the signature KitKat structure. Smooth chocolate cream binds the wafer layers together with perfect consistency. Layer after layer builds the crisp interior that defines every KitKat bar. Compression ensures every wafer layer bonds perfectly before cutting. Cooling stabilizes the structure before the wafer blocks are precisely cut. Precision blades transform the wafer block into the familiar KitKat finger shape. Each wafer finger is aligned before entering the chocolate coating system. The crisp wafer fingers are now ready to receive their iconic chocolate coating. A smooth curtain of tempered chocolate envelops each wafer finger. Vibration and airflow refine the coating to achieve a flawless finish. Carefully controlled airflow perfects the chocolate layer before cooling. Cooling tunnels stabilize the chocolate coating into a crisp outer shell. Vibration and airflow refine the coating to achieve a flawless finish. With the coating set, the bars move toward final shaping and branding. The iconic KitKat shape and logo are pressed directly into the chocolate. Now complete, the chocolate bars prepare for automated packaging. Automated systems prepare each bar for protective packaging. Printed foil wraps each bar, protecting its delicate chocolate surface. Precision heat sealing locks the wrapper securely around every bar. Each bar receives a traceable production code before inspection. Vision systems instantly detect and remove packaging imperfections. Bars are grouped together to form the familiar retail packs. Printed cartons form the recognizable retail packaging seen in stores worldwide. Finished packs now move toward final boxing and palletizing. Retail packs are grouped into shipping cartons for large-scale distribution. Automated folding systems prepare each carton for sealing. Secure sealing protects every carton during transport. Each carton receives traceable shipping information before dispatch. Automated weight checks confirm every shipment is perfectly packed. Robotic systems stack cartons into perfectly balanced shipping pallets. Protective wrapping stabilizes the pallet for safe transportation. From the factory floor, pallets move into the global distribution network. Before shipment, each pallet must pass strict quality inspection. Inspectors verify packaging integrity and product condition. Random samples are taken from each batch for deeper inspection. Inspectors examine the chocolate surface and structure for perfection. The famous KitKat snap confirms the perfect balance of wafer and chocolate. Laboratory analysis ensures every bar meets strict texture and density standards. Packaging codes are verified to ensure complete product traceability. Only fully approved pallets move forward to the final stage of global distribution. After passing every inspection, the chocolate bars begin their journey to the world. Every pallet is carefully positioned to ensure safe transport. The finished shipment is sealed and ready to leave the factory. From this factory floor, KitKat bars travel to stores across the globe.
And this is how modern factories produce KitKat chocolate wafer bars from start to finish.
Behind every KitKat bar lies a world of engineering, precision, and craftsmanship.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more real factory videos.